Today we're going to do a simple science activity called floaters or sinkers. We're going to check if these materials right here are going to float or sink in water. For the materials we're going to use, this is a basin full of water, an unused alcohol bottle, and a used alcohol bottle which is empty now. We have black peppers, raw egg, avocado leaf, a pencil, and a whisk. So we will check again if they're going to float or sink. Let's start with the unused alcohol bottle. So of course it's filled with alcohol. Okay, so before I do this, I think it's going to sink. I think it's going to sink because it's kind of heavy. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, so I think it's going to sink. So we need to test it if it's going to sink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it floats! So the alcohol that's filled with alcohol floats. Next is the empty alcohol bottle. So now I think this one is going to float like the other alcohol because I mean it's light, it's empty, so I think it's going to float. Okay, let's see. Okay, it floats. It floats. Okay, so this time let's try the raw egg. I think it's going to float. Yeah, I just think it's going to float. I have no reason why. Okay, let's see. Oh, it sinks. Ah. So the raw egg sinks. Next is avocado leaf. So I think it's going to float. I think it's going to float. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, it floats. Oh, yay! So the avocado leaf floats. Okay, so next is the pencil. I think, okay, it's made out of wood. It's very light. I don't know. I just think it's going to float. Okay, let's see. Bong. Yay! It floats! It floats! So, pencil floats. Okay, the next one is the whisk. I think this one is going to it's very hard to guess. You know what? I think it's going to float. I have no reason why it's going to float. Okay, let's start. Well, it sank! Okay, so the whisk sinks. Okay, the last one are black peppers. Okay, so I think they're going to sink. They're going to sink. Okay, let's test it. 1, 2, 3. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. Both of them, some of them float and some of them sink. Oh, there's bubbles. So I don't know the right answer. So both of them sink and float. So we're done! Yay! I hope you enjoyed our simple science experiment for today. So these are our floaters. We have 2 alcohol bottles. Whether they are empty or full, they still float. Same with the pencil and this leaf. Woo! These are our sinkers. So this is the whisk, it sank, the raw egg, and the combination of floating and sinking, the black peppers. They both sank and floated. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our science activity. Make sure to do this at home too. It's a lot of fun. Always remember, never stop learning because life never stops teaching. This is John Chloe. Bye!